Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share whole wheat healthy fruitcake recipe. I will be using whole wheat atta and suji in this recipe, which is a good source of good carbs and fiber, also keeps you full for a longer time. So let's begin. So to start this, I have taken a pan here at low flame और इसमें ऐड करेंगे fresh orange juice. ये 80 ml orange juice है which is about 8 tablespoons. And इसी के साथ ऐड करेंगे 4 tablespoon of water which is just the half quantity of juice. और अब इसमें ऐड करेंगे डेट्स एंड रेजन्स. यहाँ पे ये मैंने 20 डेट्स लिए हैं जिनके सीड्स निकाल के मैंने चॉप कर लिया है. और डेट्स के साथ में 2 टेबलस्पून ब्लैक रेजन एंड 3 टेबलस्पून्स ऑफ ब्राउन रेजन्स. Now all of this goes in and let this cook on low heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Since we have to cook this for a while until the fruit soaks up some amount of juice, मैं इसको बैक बर्नर पे शिफ्ट कर देती हूँ और यहाँ पे मैं ले लेती हूँ एक और पैन. ये भी लो फ्लेम पे है. अब इसमें ऐड करेंगे 5 tablespoon of grated jaggery along with 4 tablespoon of water. Now let this cook at low heat until jaggery melt out completely, which will take around 2 to 3 minutes. This looks good. As you can see, it's done and यहाँ पर jaggery syrup भी ready हो गया है. So now I'm gonna turn off. Now till the time it cool down, let's move to other ingredients. Here I have taken a large mixing bowl and first I am going to add half cup of vegetable oil along with half cup of dark brown sugar and whisk it together until they nicely combine. Once they nicely combine, add 1 cup of yogurt. Give a good mix. Also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and give a good mix again. Now I am going to add all dry ingredients, 1 cup whole wheat atta along with 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda and sift everything together like this. Now add half cup of सूजी. सूजी को तो सीव करने की ज़रूरत है नहीं. Now whisk it all together until everything nicely combined. अब इसमें जैगरी सिरप ऐड करेंगे जो हमने पहले ही बना के रखा है. ग्रेजुअली ऐड करेंगे और मिक्स करते जाएंगे like this. Now going to add all the soaked dry fruits and gently mix using spatula. Now I am going to add some more dates. ये 5 dates हैं और 3 dried figs. And here I have some more roughly chopped dry fruits, cashew, walnuts and almonds, 2 tablespoons of each. The batter is almost ready. Now for baking you can use oven or also you can use any kadhai, cooker or a pan. So here I am going to show how to bake without oven. I will be using a pan for baking. You can see the batter is done. मैं ये pan use करने वाली हूँ baking के लिए. You can use any pan और कढ़ाई. बट इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू यूज़ अ प्रेशर कुकर तो उसका जो वेसल है वो आपको निकालना होता है. सो वो मैं आपको फिर किसी और वीडियो में दिखा दूँगी. तो यहाँ पे यूज़ करते हैं ये पैन. आई पुट सम सॉल्ट इन दिस पैन एंड गोइंग टू प्लेस अ स्टील स्टैंड लाइक दिस. यू कैन यूज़ एनी स्टील स्टैंड. नाउ जस्ट कवर इट and quickly preheat the pan for 10 minutes on low flame. यहाँ पे मैंने ले लिया है ये केक टिन, इसको ग्रीस करेंगे। ग्रीस द केक टिन विथ सम वेजिटेबल ऑयल like this, and also I am using butter paper. If you don't want to use butter paper, just dust it with some whole wheat atta. Now put the batter in the cake tin and tap for a few times to level it up, and garnish with some walnuts and almonds. Now place the cake tin in preheated pan, cover it and bake for 60 to 65 minutes on low flame. Great, it looks perfect. Let me check. Yes, it's done. So this is how you can check with the help of knife. Just insert and see if it comes out clean, that means it's done. And if it's not done, cover it again for another 5 to 10 minutes and then check. This looks good, so let this cool down completely. This cake is really mouth-watering. Trust me guys, it's very tasty. Give this recipe a try and enjoy. And I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I see you guys next week with another recipe. Until, take care, eat healthy, stay healthy. Bye bye.